Good morning, students. As of now, you should have already gone over week one, day one materials, and hopefully you've learned that you need to watch each one of the videos to kind of get an idea of what's going on for the day. So I want to quickly look at yesterday's materials because I had some questions. So when it says define key terms, they don't have a section in the back of the book labeled Chapter 1 Key Terms. Whenever you do any type of reading, you should always define key terms for yourself. Words, phrases, people, theories that you think shall be important, and or any words that you will need to look up. So even though it says define key terms, you will not find a glossary of key terms per se. Also, that is for your own learning. It's not something that you shall turn in. Same thing with the outline. I provide the outlines for you so that while you are reading, you can outline the chapters and then also note any key terms that you may need to know for the chapter as well. You will not be turning that into me. Anytime it says read or watch a video, it may not have an accompanying assignment. However, it is material that will be seen on your exam. So anytime it says to read something, make sure you do that. If it says read it and there is no link, then there's a folder that says readings. So in this folder, I had put 7 Steps to Success at Community College. So please make sure that if it does not have a link to it, that you know you need to go ahead and look in the readings folder for it. Also, in yesterday's activity, I asked you to complete the faculty advising form. And I gave you a little video on exactly how to do it. But what I wanted to show you is, here's your weekly assignments. So the faculty advising form is here, which I showed you. You will download. You will either handwrite it, scan it back in, or you will go ahead and type it. This is where you submit it. So anytime I say it's a weekly assignment, I will provide the form for you, and this is where you are going to submit it. So once you are done with your faculty advising form, you either have scanned it or you went ahead and typed in the Word document. You're going to then hit browse your computer. You are going to pick it up wherever on your computer you saved it. You are going to, I'll just do a fake one. You're going to open it. It's going to show it right here and you're going to click submit. And then once you click submit, on the left hand side it's going to show you what it should look like. So that's what you need to do for each one of those assignments. Again, all weekly assignments aren't due until the Sunday of that week. So you still have until Sunday at 11:59 p.m. to submit it. Now to look at today's work. So today we're moving on to chapter 2. So again, I want you to define those key terms that you think are important or words that you will need to define. Use the, that says chapter 1. Use chapter 2 outline that I already have provided for you to review your materials. Then I have an article for you to read on media consumption. You'll click on here. And then there's a 14-minute video, a TED Talk inside the mind of a master procrastinator that you will click on right here. And then you are going to complete and submit the daily time chart. Okay, so again, it's not due until Sunday, as I have right here listed for you, but I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. So I have provided you with an example time schedule. And so it's up to you whether you want to do it in 15-minute increments or 30-minute increments. Many times in calendars you will see people put things by the hour. Well, research shows most things don't take an hour. So the new push is, as you try to schedule days for yourself, that you either do it in 15 or 30-minute increments. That's what's most realistic. So what I would like you to do is, today or tomorrow, make a planned time schedule. what do you think you are going to do in the next day? So write it all down from the time you wake up, everything you do, until the time you go to bed. So you're going to write a plan, what you think your day looks like, right? And then on that actual day, I want you to log what actually did happen. Did you stay anywhere near this time schedule? Were there unexpected things that happened? Were you late? Did your car break down? Did you have to work late, right? So this will just kind of give you a glimpse of what you think your day looks like because you planned it out the day before and what your day actually looks like. So this is the sample. We go back. Again, I've given you a Word document, so with a Word document you can write in it, or if you would like to print it out or handwrite on it and scan it back in, that's fine with me. So you'll type in your name, your G number, and then I have left it blank. I didn't put any times in there because I don't know what time you wake up. Let's say you wake up at, let's say, 6 a.m. Your day is 6 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Oh, sorry, 6:30 a.m. So we'll say that this is a time you plan to wake up, hit snooze twice, right? Because you know maybe you do that on a weekly basis. And so then you will go down putting your subsequent times all the way until the time that you go to bed. So this is you plan the day before, and then the day of at 6 a.m. Oh, I woke right up, right? I'm going to say that in that 30 minutes I also showered and brushed teeth, so I did more than I thought I was going to do, right? So you'll write in exactly what you did or type in what you did. Again, you will save it, so either you can scan it and save it or you type this in and you save it. And then you are going to submit it right here. Okay, please make sure that you have a computer that has a Word document or that you are able to access Word documents online. You don't want to turn in a .pages or some other type of format that is not going to open up on Blackboard. Also, you have until Sunday to submit these items. Sunday at 11:59 p.m. they are due. After that, it will not accept them, and you are not going to be permitted to email me any of your assignments as well. They need to be submitted through Blackboard. So please make sure that you are giving yourself enough time to do so. Also, remember today your first prompt is due. Your first prompt needs to be, remember I'm not in a group, so let me exit. Your first prompt response needs to be one paragraph, minimum 16 sentences, right? 4 sentences a paragraph. 4 times 4 is 16. So it needs to be one 4-paragraph or 16 sentence prompt response. And then tomorrow, Thursday, everybody in your group should have responded by today. You go in and reply, read other people's information, and then reply. Your reply needs to be 2 paragraphs or minimum 8 sentences. However, if 4 people in your group have replied and you want to reply to each one of them, well, do 2 sentences for 4 people. That's 8 sentences. So I will take that on the second prompt response. Okay. So you can see right here that in group 1 already 4 people have posted. Some of you may have 0 people that have posted up until this point. And remember, you will not see any of this unless you post your response first. So once you post your response, right, your 4-paragraph, 16 sentences, once you post it, then other people will be able to click reply on it. Okay. And so that I will see each one of your prompts and each one of your prompt responses. Okay, so that's what it'll look like. But again, you will not see anyone's until you yourself actually make your 4-paragraph, 16 sentence response, and then after tonight at 11:59 p.m. everyone in your group should have responded, and then you will have the opportunity to do your second prompt response where you either comment on theirs or you comment on more than one person's. Okay, so as of right now, as you can see, group 1 has 4 people, so if there are people that have already posted, then you are more than welcome to go in and put your replies at any point. You don't have to wait till Thursday if you don't want to. All right, I think that should be everything for today. So again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I try to be as prompt as possible. Have a good day.